Hello, today we are going to take care of fixing this Atlas Peak component analyzer. It's got two problems. The first and most likely extremely easy is that the device is not turning on, and that's most likely because of the dead internal battery, because I seen a message telling us that we have to replace the battery, that it's got a low voltage. And the second problem is hardware related, and we've got need to replace those probes. As you can see, they are looking extremely terrible, and I've got a new one, and we are going to just replace those two elements, and most likely we are going to make this device great again. First, let's start with our probes. Because I don't know in what condition are those endings, I will clip them out and we are going to replace them so that 1 centimeter of wire I am able to spare, because I would like to have it very nicely. Let me trim that down so we've got a equal length. Now we are going to be using my favorite tool, and we are going to strip those 3 wires at the same time. And I hope that's going to be working nicely. Let's take a look. And as you can see, it worked absolutely beautiful. Very nice. This is exactly what I would like to see afterwards. And they are color coded, so we are going to follow the manufacturer specification. We've got the red, green, blue, and here is my hooks that I've got, and we just need to see how to open it, and it is quite easy. We pull that part, and here we are going to solder ourselves. So let me grab it like that. Let me thread our wire and add a little bit of solder there. As you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. Let's nicely solder it in. And that looks absolutely great. Let's take a look at close up. It looks okay. And we are good to go. So just take a look how nicely the new hook looks like. And we are going to follow the same procedure. Looks like it's good to go. And the last one is our green. That looks okay. Looks like each of them is a little bit different. I've got that weird feeling, and they go from the same seller. But yeah, this is what we've got. So the first part is done. Then we are going to take care of our battery. Here you can see the battery model, and it is exactly that type. And we are going to open it. Here is inside of our device. We've got the revision, and this is our battery. Let's take it out. Here is measurement of our old battery. We are below 9 volt, and the brand new, let's take a look what we are going to read. We are reading close to 12 volt. And let's mount it inside. We've got the positive over there. And let's see, does it going to turn on? Yes, of course it does. So, and this is what we've got. Now we can try and check some components to get a validation that everything is working just fine. Here is my box with NPN MOSFETs and other transistors. And we can grab any of them to get a basic test. So let's clip to our legs, and as you can see, it's working absolutely great. We've got a good connection. It's not going to go anywhere. And here we've got our N-channel MOSFET. We've got our connectors telling us where is drain, source, and gate. As you can see, everything is working really nice and we've got a good fix. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.